What's going on, vibers? It's your boy J.S. Vaughn, and guess what, y'all? We back with another one. Today's track is called freaking Night of the Chainsaw by your boys ICP. You know what I mean? Insane Clown Posse. Let's jump right into it, fam. Let's go.
Hey, you want some pills? I got pills.
The upper 80s, overnight tonight, partly cloudy, mild with those temperatures dropping. Now we've got some big changes here for the upcoming work week.
Yo, you passed by somebody I wanted to give him pills. The second person wanted to give him, the second shorty wanted to give him pussy and whatnot. And then he passed death and whatnot. That's crazy.
Changes here for the upcoming work week.
Damn, man. That's what he's looking for. Shit. Yo, I hope this won't this won't get blocked, man. Cause it looks like very enjoyable, man. I would hate this video to get blocked. Yeah, I'm a fan of Coronas.
Well, it was Free Puppy Day today at the East Charleston Mall. Over 100 people turned out and left with a free puppy. Zombies have taken over the entire city. It's
Wow. Zombies has taken over the whole entire city. It's kill or be killed. Let's go.
Zombies have taken over the entire city. It's kill or be killed. If you're hearing this, do what you must to survive. They're feeding on human flesh.
Wow.
They're everywhere.
Wow. Yo, this dude is bugging out. That pill just he took, man. God.
ICP! Meth, man, antidepressant pills. Everything spills into one pot. On top of that, I smoke rock. I hear that shit, but I won't stop. Last time on the
He said, I hear that shit, but I won't stop. Last time.
that I smoke rock. I hear that shit, but I won't stop. Last time on the spot, choked a cop.
You said last time on the spot, choked the cop. Wowzers.
Shit, but I won't stop.
Last time on the spot, I
choked a
cop.
Stopped and had a Fago soda pop. In the back of my truck, chucked the chainsaw. Usually chop wood, but that ain't all. It's a bit strange, all up in your mid-range. Cut a hole in your head till I hit brains. Left a cop in a pile, wild baby. It's the night of the chainsaw, baby.
He said it's the night of the chainsaw, baby.
Cop in a pile, wild baby. It's It's the night of the chainsaw, baby. Cut him up, Chuck, somebody.
Yo, hold up. I paused at the wrong spot.
Brains all up in your mid-range. Cut a hole in your head till I hit brains. Left a cop in a pile, wild maybe. It's the night of the chainsaw, baby. Cut him up, Chuck, somebody.
Man, I keep on pausing at the wrong time. One more
Wild
time.
maybe. It's the night of the chainsaw, baby. Cut him up, Chuck.
You see? This is why I love it, and this is why this shit makes so much sense and whatnot. You know what I mean? Not taking it seriously and shit. They have a parents advisory shit while he's rapping and shit. So to all the motherfuckers that's really thinking this motherfucker talking shit like that, there's this disclaimer right here. It's right here on the screen right here. See that shit? Rated R. You know what I mean? So this is for entertainment level. You know what I mean? So don't take shit too seriously. That's what they fucking saying on this track right here. I love how they freaking put that shit though. You know what I mean? Definitely.
Wild maybe. It's the night of the chainsaw, baby. Cut him up, Chuck, somebody. Cut him up, Chuck, get bloody. Cut him up, Chuck, go nutty. Cut him up, Chuck, go. Cut him up, Chuck, go. Cut him up. You can't calm me down. You can't calm me down. You can't calm me down. You can't calm me. Petroleum, inhale it and take a swig. Eat my brains up, make my wig. Killing time with no shirt on me. I love it when the blood squirt on me. Walked up to a house, jabbed the door, and kicked it in. My victim hid. Stuck
You said it choked it. He kicked it in. My victim hid.
house, jabbed the door, and kicked it in. My
victim
victim
hid.
hid. Stuck Chuck in the closet, and I could tell by the deposit. I got my target.
You said I could tell by the-
Noodle.
It's like, yo, I want to pause and whatnot, but there's no need to pause because everything that he's saying visually is happening on the freaking screen right there. You know what I mean? That's just, this is bug.
Deposit, I got my target. French poodle, stop it, limp noodle. Rev Chuck up and stir the strudel. Got some along, fuck's going on? Chainsaw Chuck till the break of dawn. Cut him up, Chuck, somebody. Cut him up, Chuck, get bloody. Cut him up, Chuck, go nutty. Cut him up, Chuck, go. Cut him up, Chuck, go. Cut him up. You can't calm me down. You can't calm me down. You can't calm me down. You can't calm me. Bloody feet, no shoes, into a party. I wasn't invited, but that bitch ignited. I screamed.
You said bloody shoes entered the party. I wasn't invited. I'm about to get
No
naughty.
shoes into a party. I wasn't invited, but that bitch ignited. I screamed and laughed, chopping fools in half. I stab and hack a mad lumberjack. Smell that fuel. Hear the machine. Chuck's a demon. I must be dreaming. Bloody showers. Feel the power. We devour you fucking cowards. A loony loose.
devour,
Chuck
you
full of
freaking
juice.
coward.
Bacon's no use. I know's no truth. It's your noose. About to see your own pro.
You know what I'm thinking right now? I'm thinking about, like, what if this shit, envision that after he took this pill and shit, he started to get delusional and shit, because, and then just goes on town with his chainsaw, start ripping motherfuckers apart and shit, and after the freaking shit, after the pill whatever wears off and shit, he actually was killing motherfuckers off on some real shit. You know what I mean? That's what I'm thinking in my mind at this point. The video's almost over, but that's what I'm thinking in my mind. He wakes up and shit, there's blood all around and whatnot, and there's real live people dead. Not freaking zombies though. You know what I mean?
I know the truth. It's your noose. About to see your own produce. Man in the chainsaw. Written by Joe. Cut him up, Chuck. Somebody. Cut him up, Chuck. Get bloody. Cut him up, Chuck. Go nutty. Cut him up, Chuck. Go. Cut him up, Chuck. Go. Cut him up. You can't calm me down. 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 You can't calm me
That nigga said, thank you, chainsaw. You know what I mean?
Can't calm me down, you can't calm me down, you can't calm me down, 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 down.
This is Ed Farhat with local breaking news. Local police on the scene are in search of a tall male in a black hooded sweater.
I told you.
Wielding what appears to be a chainsaw. The suspect is reported to be unstable and
I told you.
apparently wielding what appears to be a chainsaw. The suspect is reported to be unstable and extremely dangerous. If you have any more information leading to this man's arrest, please call.
Done fucked up, man. You done fucked up, fam. Damn, man. That's funny. Yo, it's funny how like I kind of foresee that's how it was gonna end and whatnot. But like I mean, yo, I'm a horror movie fan and shit. So like, yo, I kind of probably peeped it, or a big movie buff. So I probably peeped that shit, yo. But it's hella entertaining. You know what I mean? I'm be honest with you. I was paying more attention to the freaking video than the song and whatnot. The video itself was mad entertaining to me and shit. And yeah, so I'm gonna have to go back and listen to this track itself and whatnot for and break it down on that level. But like the video, I loved it. You know what I mean? The song itself, it actually I like the chorus of the freaking song, and I gotta listen to the verses a little bit more in tune and whatnot. But like at the end of the day, this was a definitely dope ass freaking video, and I'm due to the fact it was a dope ass video, I'm just gonna co-sign for the track itself at this point. You know what I mean? I hope you guys enjoyed this track as much as I enjoyed reacting to this. You know what I mean? If you guys want more tracks from your boys, ICP, do put it down there in the comment section. Or any other type of videos, do put it down there in the comment section. I get to it as soon as possible. You see this right here, my motherfucking thumb, y'all. I need y'all to take y'all thumbs and throw it all the way up to the motherfucking sky. Show me some love and support in that way. And that's about it. I'm going to check you guys out next time on the next video. Peace out, one love, and I'm out. You already know, fab. Let's go. You know.